Eine hochgefährliche Pandemie,
A severe pandemic,
Tsunami,
earthquakes, tsunamis, forest fires,
und Schlammlawinen,
torrents, mudslides.
dazu Kriege,
In addition,
immensen
wars with immense movements of refugees,
Wahnsinnstaten,
acts of madness,
Fluten von Lügen,
floods of lies,
Aufruhr, Terror,
riots, terrorism.
wohin man schaut,
Wherever one looks,
Katastrophen.
catastrophes upon catastrophes.
Warum kommt
Why
das zusammen?
do they all come together?
Bei all diesen
With all these different events,
oft voneinander
mostly independent of each other,
geschehen,
that have rocked our world in recent
die
years,
Welt erschüttert haben,
the causal
lassen sich
chains
meist die
can usually be traced back. Inexplicable, however, is their frequent occurrence at approximately the same time. And that is frightening. I have noticed among my acquaintances that many have a vague but serious fear of the future. However, knowing the whole of reality, that is, acquiring the ability to orient oneself in it, takes this fear away.
Nimmt diese Angst weg.